let's address the absolute bullcrap that is the crypto market, that is Bitcoin. Because holy moly, what the hell is that candle? That is a fat candle. And it did come down all the way to 98k, all the way from 100 and to even 105k. Holy moly. This makes me more bullish than ever, I'm not gonna lie. It retested the EMA, this uptrend. That is quite bullish. I ain't gonna lie, that is very, very, very bullish. But none of this actually matters if you're holding altcoins, because Ethereum still doesn't want to move. Everybody seems to be buying it. And it did hit this support right here, you know. That was an excellent buying opportunity if any of you guys did get in at around 33k and 30. Institutions need to get in on this project, which they will, to try and make money, because I think what happened with Bitcoin will happen with Ethereum very soon, hopefully. And when it does, it's going to move quick and all the altcoins are going to move with it. If you look at dominance today, it is basically because of a black swan event. So if we look over to Twitter, we are getting chopped around like some mad dogs though. I'm not going to lie. Because if we look at bookmarks, the funding rates are negative. The portfolios making people vomit in the coffees. But there's this thing called DeepSeek. So they lied about how many GPUs they're using and now restricted access to only China. Which is crazy. Trump's going to ban it anyway, so it is going to send everything higher. But this is tiring, man, for the market, I ain't going to lie. Then I buy your fear. You sell fear, I wait. Then I buy your fear. You buy greed, I wait, and I sell. What is this?
Over $500 billion to make. But in less than 2 months, a Chinese company launched a direct... So here's why AI is crashing crypto. China has basically undercut the entire US tech industry in just one day. You've heard of ChatGPT and OpenAI. Well, it cost US tech companies over $500 billion to make. But in less than 2 months, a Chinese company launched a direct competitor called DeepSeek. And this cost them only $5.5 million. It cost the US $500 billion and China only 5.5 million. DeepSeek is 50 times more powerful than ChatGPT. It's entirely free and is now trending as #1 on the App Store, surpassing ChatGPT.
No
This completely dismantles ChatGPT and OpenAI and all the plans for US tech investors to make billions of dollars off of OpenAI. As a result, the Nasdaq is crashing. Nvidia is down more than 13% today, erasing $500 million of market value, along with many other tech stocks. And since Bitcoin is tightly correlated with the Nasdaq, there's no surprise that the price of Bitcoin is crashing. And since Bitcoin drives the entire crypto market, of course, all other cryptocurrencies are going to come crashing down too.
Damn, that's mental, bruv. Is it? DeepSeek, yeah. AI, 5.5 million. Let me on, bruh. Let me on. Is it gonna let me? Start now. But I ain't signing up though. Are you mad? Pressure breaks people but creates diamonds. This is the bottom or I am gay. What, 3200? He was so wrong. He went all the way down to here. Bro, man lied.
So here's
Vitalik planning to scale Ethereum and bring fees to $1 or below. It's about time, bruh. Traveling next week. It is all noise. Calm down, touch grass. But don't F this up. Don't F it up. The banana singularity. Holy moly, we're about to go parabolic. CME gap at 105. Flush caused by DeepSeek that crashed Nvidia and stocks. Short-term fee. Everything's on discount, you know. Have you seen the price of everything today? Holy moly. This might be the last chance, you know. Like, I know I've said that a few times, but genuinely, this might be the last time. This might be it. This might be it, bruh. This might be it. Even Retardio dropping. That's how you know. This thing is like strong. It's down to its bottom. Like, this is what I'm saying. Look, you ain't gonna get better prices than this. You haven't had better prices than this. The only thing which does worry me a little bit is bonk. Because when bonk retraces, it has to retrace the move fully. So you may see further downside. Because it hasn't come around to like these levels here, 18. We're close. We're close, but it hasn't retraced the full move yet. And it seems like it wants to retrace before we go higher, and it could actually be accelerated by FOMC, so we could dump for the next 1 or 2 days, and FOMC may send us higher, but it fully does depend on what they say, because that could either pump the markets or crash it. Look at all of this, bro, it's all on discount, apart from Omikami. Omikami's still holding up strong. Should have bought a 23 million market cap like I told you guys. I should have bought more. What else is there? Everything else, it's not looking too good. So it's a perfect day if you wanted to get in crypto. I think now is the time, bruh. Holy moly. This is the hardest time to buy though. Everything's red and usually people are invested. But you need to keep your cash for times like these, because this is the time to fully accumulate, bruh. Holy. Some people are saying the support's on Bitcoin. If I go over to TradingView, the support's on Bitcoin around 92k. So if we're thinking, yeah, in this purple box that I've drawn out for you, we could land easily back down in here. Easily back down in here, but that could be a buying opportunity, especially with type stop losses. And change up your strategy as well. Make sure you're taking profits along the way. Have some bags that you're holding like Omikami and Casper and that, but the majority of things you got to flip it, man. If you see money, take it, because these meme coins, they retrace fully, bruh. Like, look, let's take, apart from Dogecoin, which I don't know how it's holding up so strong. It is kind of crazy. Let's take any meme coin, for example. Let's even look at some of these big ones. Once my computer decides to turn up. Let's look at Brett. And Brett is a solid player. A lot of investors have held this. Look, if it goes up and you see profits, you take it. And then it's going to come back down eventually. It's going to come back down. So once it starts moving, if we're in altcoin season, you might regret it. But as long as you're taking profits, you're not going to lose, are you? You're the top 10% if you're selling up here. Then if you're holding the bag from the tops, that's the long part, man. It has actually fully retraced around this level, which is crazy. So we might be heading higher. I think we are, you know. I think we're headed higher. I think this is it. Give it a few more days, few weeks, and it's time to fly.